Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add products in WooCommerce in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. Where in the upper right corner, you want to get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with importing products in WooCommerce. So what we're looking for, guys, is right here at the left side of the screen. You want to find the plugins section. Go ahead and open up plugins. Once you have opened up plugins, it's going to go ahead and open up this plugins marketplace right here, where you can take a look at all the plugins that you can use for your WordPress website. And at the top of the screen, we have a search bar. So we want to use this search bar. We want to search for WooCommerce. Search for WooCommerce, and this is now going to go ahead and give us result all the WooCommerce related plugins that we can use for our website. As you can see, this is the main one right here, which you can go ahead and get started with installing it. So basically, if you have a premium plan, as you can see, currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it. If you have any of the plans, you can just go right here and click the install button. And once you click the install button, guys, it's going to enable you to add the plugin to your WordPress website. So after you have installed it successfully and added it, you'll be able to access it and get started importing your products in WooCommerce. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.